Hey guys, so I'm back with these pumpkin spice latte nails for you, and I had to paint these nails when I received my bottle of Full by Picture Polish. It's just like a PSL in a bottle. So I started off with painting my middle and ring finger with Cafe au Latte from Moyou, London. And then with my Moyou London Fall in Love 01 plate, I stamped a little pumpkin in black from Twinkle Tea. Leaving it on the stamper, I'm just filling in the pumpkin with Full from Picture Polish. I left that on the side to dry, and so now I'm using a sponge and a glossy top coat to create a sticky base. Just dabbing it on my nail. Once I was happy and the decal had dry and the base was sticky, I just stamped on the decal. You're left with a cute little pumpkin. And then I just painted the rest of my nails with Full, and it took 2 coats for max opacity. So with my Moyou London Hipster 02 plate, I just stamped this little cute coffee cup. Then leaving it on the stamper, I'm painting the lid white. And then I dabbed a little bit of white on the middle for the logo. And then I filled in the logo with Rum Billy from Super Chic Lacquer, which is also a nice pumpkin spice hollow polish. And then I just filled in the rest of the cup with Barry M's Tiki Hut, which is a nice brown polish. And then once that logo had dried, I just went over it with a white polish for the bit that you hold when the cup is hot. And then back creating a sticky base with a glossy top coat and a sponge, just dabbing up my nails, and then stamping on the coffee cup. And then for my index and pinky finger, I'm using my Moyou London cookbook. This is the coffee plate. I'm just stamping this little heart design you do in the coffee cup with a Cafe au Latte, the polish I used earlier, and just stamp that directly onto my nail. And then with a brush and acetone, I just cleaned up around the edges, and finally I applied a smudge resistant top coat. And there you go, these pumpkin spice latte nails, and I love these, they're so cute. They're like the bougie bitch in all of us. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching, bye!